Hi guys, this is Arfaq Khan, founder of HuntMe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install HuntMe Chrome extension. It's damn easy guys. You guys have to not do anything. Just come to the HuntMe website and log in with your ID and password. Let us assume if you are using free trial, even for that it's going to work. Make sure the LinkedIn, to extract the data from LinkedIn, you need HuntMe Chrome extension. It is mandatory guys. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Just hover to extract LinkedIn. I click on use this software. Once you click on that, you will get the option called as install the extension. Just click on this download the extension. It will not take much time. Once it's done, go to the folder. For example, this is the folder. Click right and extract files. Click on extract files. Once you are done with that, go to extensions, manage extensions, then make sure the developer mode is on. Once it's on, just click on load unpack and go to the downloads. See, this is what we have extracted the folder, right? So we'll click on that and select the folder. Once it's done, what you could do, click on errors. This is just an additional step. If you want to take care of, come back, done. To check that, go to LinkedIn. Start searching anything. If this shows up, understand that your Chrome extension is installed successfully guys. This is the video all about. Can you guys have a great day.